Page 12, how can I leave thee? I think this is a vocal piece. There's no words on this, but that's all right. We'll do it on piano. Let's go through our system. There's nothing new here, but the rhythm can get a little bit tricky. Just take it as it comes. You just count it out. It works eventually. So it's 4 lines long, treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature. I see half notes, quarter notes, and whole notes. We've had all that before. Both hands are playing, but it's only one hand at a time. So to shorten the video, I'm going to do both hands together. You're starting out in the right hand with third finger on E. That puts your hand in this position. The left hand, you're starting out with thumb on middle C. That puts you in this position. See, that's how you figure out your position, your hand position. You look at the music, it tells you. We're in here. You don't need any of these other finger numbers. I would prefer you go through and cross them out so you can't see them. You need to read the notes. You need to remember which finger's on which key. It's important. The music is going to get more challenging, so the sooner you can get this, the better. Please don't be in a hurry to get through this book. Take your time. It helps to go back and review everything too. Do the play and say it. If you don't know the note names yet, you're not sure on them, then keep doing that play and say it drill. Just E, C, A, G, C, D, C, D, E, A, G. Just drill yourself on this over and over and over. It comes really eventually. Now the counting is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. You just go through and count it out. Now once you're comfortable with the counting, you got the rhythm down, and then you don't count it anymore. You feel it at that point. And go through and get rid of any hesitations. You should be able to play this without looking at the keyboard. You're feeling your way. You know which key your fingers are on. Generally, you have to look down at first. You're forgetting what's going on, but you get to the point where eventually you remember it. You go through and learn it, and then when you're ready, come back to the video and let's play it together very slowly to make sure you have the right notes and rhythms. Now something I might mention is on the play with me's at the end, the very last, I say off. Like in here, the last measure at the bottom, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. Off simply means when you raise the note up. And I say off there because it's important that you get into the habit of holding the note down its full length. You see, in rhythm, one beat starts when the previous beat ends. Or I could say one beat ends, the next beat starts. Right there. So at the first measure, well, 1, 2, 3. So beat 3 starts when beat 2 ends. You think, well, duh. It does make a difference because it's going to become really, really important starting with the next lesson. So let's get this now. At the bottom, if I don't say off, you'll only hold that note down for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll lift up on beat 4 thinking okay, that's 4, I got it 4. No, you only hold it down for 3 counts. You let up on beat 4. Well, that's why I say off. And I don't put it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, except when you get to the end, there's no 1. There is no beat there, you're done. So instead of 1, I say off. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. That way you hold it out for a full 4 counts, and that's important to do that. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's do this together very slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 2. 4. 2. 4. 2. 4.